How to use AI to summarize long articles on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few Chrome extensions that you can use to summarize long articles. So what you want to do here is first go to the Extensions tab and tap on Manage Extensions. From there, go over to Chrome Web Store. Once you open it up, go to the search bar up top and then simply search for AI Summarizer and hit enter. If you don't see it, just go ahead and search for Summarize. And you can find all of these summarizers here for different stuff. I suggest you install this one called Wise 1. If you don't see it, just go ahead and search for it. You can easily install this one called Summarize AI, or just search for AI Summarizer. Click on this and click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Once you've added your extension, you can go over to any web page. So let me just go ahead and head over to Wikipedia. Open it up, open any articles up here, and you can just go ahead and search for any articles. Now you can see the instructions here, how you can use it. So let me just quickly do that. Go to extension in the AI summarizer, click on it, and it's going to tap on summarize this page. So it's going to show you the web page that you have opened. It's going to easily summarize the entire page for you. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.